Okay, today I will show you the methodology that I used the last 14 days to obtain, beginning with 32 followers and obtaining more than 1,000 followers in just 14 days. As you can see, the amount of followers is now 1,130 almost. And I will show you how I did it. So normally to obtain followers, of course, you will look for people in your niche. So I just enter, since I'm dealing with Pinterest for beginners, I entered that, looking for, in this case, boards. Within the boards, I will look for the boards with the highest amount of pins. And there you see, for instance, the first one has 48,000, almost 49,000 followers. Now, normally what you should do is you have to click on follow, and hopefully these people will follow you. Because a little bit the psychology is that if you follow people, people might follow you as well. Um, and if you do it as such, it's boring and time wasting. So what I do is first, I would like to have more followers. And then I use an automatic tool, so to speak, which is called iMacros. So it's an extension. You see, I already created a Pinterest follow tool that automatically will follow those people. The only thing I have to do is to enter the amount of loops or followers in one session. And I did it in, let's say, always in chunks of 50 people with 5 sessions on a daily basis and with an interval or gap of time of 1 hour between each session. So I click on it and you will see that immediately the system will work, starting with the first one. In my case, the system asks to has a waiting time of 10 seconds because the clicking interval between two followers may not be less, let's say, than 5 seconds. Otherwise, it's quite possible that Pinterest will block your Pinterest account. So this is a methodology which didn't risk. I didn't risk my account at all. Now I will stop this procedure. Okay, because it's obvious that it works, and I will show you how you get this functionality. Normally, you go to Google. There you enter Chrome extensions. Oh, sorry for the typo. Then you will have the first link, which is this one. There you can enter the name of the extension which you would like to obtain, which is in this case iMacros. And you will see you will have a lot of extensions, almost all blue colored, meaning or indicating that this extension has not been added yet to your extension bar. So in my case, the green one is indicating that iMacros is working. And okay, you can click on the title of it, you can read or look about it. There is even YouTube film, which gives you an idea. Here you can read the content of the functionality, and if you wish, you can click on add it to my Chrome bar, and then it will be added. Now, to create that, let's say, automatic tool to obtain followers, If you would like to have it, please subscribe to the link that I mentioned under this YouTube film, and you will immediately get the web page with just two lines of codes that you have to enter and to obtain this automatic tool. And I repeated, which I used for last 14 days, obtaining more than 1,000 followers on my Pinterest account. Have a nice day.